guys, welcome back to our channel. So, welcome back to Bondoy Reality TV. So, dito tayo guys sa port ng Sikat Araw. So, ito guys, Sikat Araw. So, may ginaganap dito guys ngayon na training workshop para sa mga SME o mga entrepreneurs guys. So may training workshop dito ng 8 to 5. So we're on break guys. So naka-break muna kami. So 8 to 5 ito guys. Ako medyo nakahabol lang din kaya medyo busy guys. So ito guys yung mga participants natin. Sponsored by Asia Foundation. Okay, so nagka-cater sila guys ng mga technical training and services para sa kung paano palaguin guys yung business ng small and medium enterprise guys. So medyo ito guys, may break time muna. So yan guys ang nagaganap dito. So we're on break kaya medyo magulo. Hindi natin naabutan guys yung actual training work. Tapos na yung picture taking for documentation guys. So we're on break, so maya babalik ulit kami guys. Mag-update tayo ulit guys mamaya sa kaganapan guys. So yun guys, tapos na yung aming activities dito guys. Re-reschedule na guys for sa ibang araw sa mas malaking venue guys at marami pero nakapag-register na kami guys sa so yun muna guys, mag-update na lang tayo guys. So pack up muna guys ngayon. May marami pa tayong ginagawa guys. Sige, salamat.
Thank you for watching Empowered Pinoy Community. Subscribe, like and share.
Thank you for watching Bondoy Reality TV. Subscribe, like, and share.